ℂ𝕙𝕒𝕠𝕟𝕤 again. Pasanganye. Now. Oh, lovely pass. Great movement. Can they finish it off? Perez. The answer is yes. Too easy, Drill Sergeant. They passed their way right through Stade ℎ𝐏𝐢𝐫𝐚𝐭𝐞𝐬. Well, they've knocked on that door time and time again. Eventually, they've blown it down here. Orlando Pirates in the most beautiful of ways as far as the team go. It looks easy for ℂ𝕙𝕒𝕠𝕟𝕤 in the end, it's just a tap in. But it's the way they cut through Abidjan here. Pass after pass. Zamini, the movement from Ngota. Is he going to finish it off? No. Why not add one more pass to it for ℂ𝕙𝕒𝕠𝕟, who's created from Ngota in the past in this tournament? Ngota now returning the favor. Beauty of a team goal. It looks so easy when, well, time and time again they've tried those passes and trying to break down the Abidjan defense, and it hasn't quite worked out for them.